All right, let's look at the homework 4.6, problem number 7. All right, so we have y equals c times e to the k1t and c times 2 to the k2t, and they're going through two given points, and we just need to find the c value and the k1, k2 values. All right, so let's do that. All right, so first we're gonna plug in. Y1. Actually, y1 is going to be, I'm going to use the first point. So 16 is the y value, and this is equal to, and then you have a c times e to the k1 times 0, right? Again, c to the 0, e to the 0, sorry, is 1. So this is going to be just a c, right? So C value is 16. So we already know that this is a 16. And it's actually going to be the same value for this one too. So C is 16. Right? So let's find the K1 value using the second point. Right? So you have a 1/2 is the Y value. Right? This is equal to C. We already know that it's 16. And e to the K1 and corresponding t value would be 50, right? So you put the 50 there. All right, so let's solve for K1, right? So first thing I would do is I'm going to get rid of 16, so I'm going to divide through by 16. So you're going to get the 1 over 32 is equal to e to the 50 K1. All right, then we need to get rid of e, so we can just take the natural log of both sides. All right, so we have a natural log of 1 over 32 is equal to natural log of e to the 50 K1. All right, then you can see that we are composing inverse functions together by inverse property. They cancel out each other. So you end up with simply 50 K1, right? So all you have to do is divide through by 50 so that K1 is all by itself. So it's going to be a natural log of, right, 1 over 32 over 50, and that's going to be equal to K1, right? One thing you can do is you can actually rewrite natural log of 1 over 32, right? 1 over 32 is reciprocal of 32, so you have a natural log of 32 to the -1, right? And also, what's 32, right? 32 is, so divide by 2, you get 16, and divide by 2, you get 8, divide by 2, you get 4, and divide by 2, you get 2. So 32 is 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 2 to the 5th power. So we can actually rewrite this guy as natural log of 2 to the 5th power with the negative sign, right? And also you can place this -5 in front, so we can also write it as -5. Oh, sorry, I'm using I guess a different color. Maybe I'm going to use right, yeah, -5 natural log of 2. All right, so we have, right, -5 natural log of 2 over 50. And so we can cancel 50 and 5, so you get the 10 on the bottom. So you end up getting simply a negative natural log of 2 over 10. Right? So this is a negative natural log of 2 over 10. All right, let's type those in and see if it's correct here. Right, I got 16 there, and I got 16 there too. Right, so this is going to be negative natural log of 2 over, let's see, oops, over 10. All right, So let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got 3 of them correctly. So let's find the K2 value. All right, process is pretty much the same. I'm going to plug in the second point, so it's going to be a 1/2 is equal to, C is still 16. Then you have 2 to the K2, then times 50, right? So all you have to do is pretty much the same. Divide through by 16. We get the 1/32. And that's equal to 2 to the 50 K2, right? Then I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So you have to take the natural log of both sides of 1/32. And then you have a natural log of 2 to the 50 K2, right? So using the log property, if you have a power here, you can place it in front. So this is going to give you 50 K2 natural log of 2. All right. So this is going to give you, all right, so we want to isolate K2. So I'm going to divide through by 50 natural log of 2. Right, so we're going to get the natural log of 1/32 over 50 natural log of 2. Right, so this is equal to K2. Right, but remember that natural log of 1/32 can be rewritten as, so this is same thing as, right, -5 natural log of 2. Right, so we get to cancel natural log of 2 on top, natural log of 2 on the bottom, and a 5, so it gives you 1, so this is going to be 10. All right, so you can see that this actually simplifies to -1/10. All right, so it's a -1/10. All right, so let's type it in. We get -1/10. All right, let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.